Ito yung coffee shop na sila mismo yung nagro-roast ng coffee beans nila at parang sila pa lang ang nakikita kung ganyan sa buong Pampanga. Their coffee beans are sourced both locally and internationally, roasted by their expertly trained staff to ensure the freshest, good quality coffee. Meron din silang merch and a wide selection of dishes sa kanilang menu. This is Side Eye Cafe located sa San Fernando, Pampanga, open daily from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. Very minimalist yung interiors, tapos meron silang private room that can accommodate 20 to 30 packs. Ito ang mga in-order namin at ang pinakauna namin tinikman syempre ay yung triple cheese fondue habang mainit-init pa. It's a mild blend of cheeses with that satisfying cheese pull and served with some baguette on the side. I don't know about you, but for cheese lovers like us, this is such a winner. Up next, pika-pika naman tayo. Nag-order din kami nitong fish and chips. Meron siya ng parang honey mustard dip at ketchup. Ikaw na lang yung bahala kung ano yung mas gusto mo. Nagpaunang order din ako ng iced americano kasi inaantok ako at ang sarap ng kape nila, guys. And then we ordered 3 kinds of pasta. Etong nauuna ay alige pasta. Si mama yung kumain yan. I would say it's perfect with a squeeze of lemon and a little bit of chili oil. Ito naman yung squid ink pasta. Personally, ito yung pinaka nagustuhan ko sa tatlong order namin. It's savory and very tasty. Yung pangatlo naman ay itong seafood aglio olio. Yung pamangkin ko yung kumain yan. At ayan, kita nyo naman, nako, nanlalaki pa yung mata. Kung mas prefer mo naman yung rice meal, meron tayo ditong honey bagoong fried chicken with some salad on the side. Ang sarap ng contrast of flavors ng chicken and then yung dressing ng salad is very bright. Okay din itong sisig balot nila. Sakto yung linamnam at alat tapos lalagyan mo ng maraming kalamansi at sili. Ito naman very interesting. First time ko makakatikim ng gabi chips and salted egg. It actually has a really good flavor. Ang bilis naming naubos to. For dessert naman, we're having their Nutella crepe. This is good for sharing at magugustuhan ng mga kids and the kids at heart. Tingnan nyo yan o, ngiting tagumpay. And lastly, sa drinks naman, yung kay Papa ay hot latte, iced pink Himalayan sea salt for me, strawberry matcha for Marcos, and enchanted mojito kay Mama. Isa na namang bagong cafe na masarap tambayan, masarap ang kape, pati yung food. So kung naghahanap kayo ng bagong itatry, ilagay na sa listahan itong Side Eye Cafe.